What up, you guys? This is Grayson406, and I'm gonna explode my brother's Sonic. Let's hop right into it. It's going. Oh crap! First attempt, not so good. Crap. Come back over here. Hold this. We're gonna explode it today. Okay. Yep. We're exploding this thing, you guys. It's getting big. Oh yes. Oh yes. This bad boy, no. This bad boy's getting big. This Sonic's getting big. This Sonic's getting big. This Sonic's getting big. His Sonic's getting big. His Sonic getting big. You guys, this Sonic's gonna get big today. This Sonic's getting big. This Sonic's getting big. This Sonic, and that's the end result, you guys. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.